dog's not coming to me. Okay.
Who's controlling the dog?
Nobody.
That's more mature. She looks very
Come on, B's turn. Let's go. You can do it one more time. And go.
You can't go.
Yes, go. Go. We'll cut 3 seconds off. That's good enough. I'll just go. I can fly. You forgot me. Flying man. I'm flying man. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Does anyone want a rerun?
No, you just,
5,
you're not just
4,
play on.
3, 2,
Two.
no, he doesn't want. Does anyone want to rerun? Like,
no.
don't feel me.
Be near the fish tank, and it will not be near the Buddha. All right, and it will not be in the PA section. It will be in this whole area here. Anywhere. But I'll be fair, I won't put it so high that the shorties can't reach. I'll put it that everybody can reach. Does everybody know? And when you're looking for it, the secret is this. You can't talk. Why are you looking at him? The minute I said you can't talk, he looked at him like, why are you looking at him? Okay, come on out.
Where is it?
Cannot talk. Silence is the key. It's called discipline. No talking. The name of this game is following instructions and discipline to win a great prize. It can only be below your knee level. This will be up to your ingenuity and intelligence to find it. Looking at me with discipline. Discipline is not talking, silence. Concentration is focusing where you want to look. Don't just follow the crowd, be individual, be different, find your own way. Oh, that was good. His eyes are sharp. Not bad. Not bad. You see, some people lift things and move things to look. That's smart. Some people just walk around and look here and there, like eating ice cream on a Sunday. Who is the smart kid? Cannot talk. I want to see if I can distract you.
Found it.
Oh my God! I was right. Where was it, Sean? Show them. Show them where it was.
Nice, Sean.
Okay. Now, did my hint match? Did the clue match?
Yes.
What was the clue?
Under the knees.
And the second clue was, don't just look, you have to lift things. Edward was walking around just looking, not touching anything. That wasn't very hard working. You got to push yourself to look harder. All right? This part actually, his eyes are quite sharp. He saw it. It was the wrong one, but he saw one that looked the same. That wasn't bad. So you got hooked, kiddo. Okay, first round, Sean. Kitchen. Good. Very good. Congratulations. Let's go. Go to the kitchen. That was cool. Okay. Don't disturb my plants. You don't need your hands. If you're using your hands, you're going to not find it. Just your eyes. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's good. The wig is too long.
Found it.
Show everybody where it was exactly. Quick.
Oh my god, how could I miss that?
I told you.
Found it.
Wow. Where was it?
It was.
Actually, it fell.
No.
It was here when I found it.
Okay, it was on the tire, you know, and you saw it, and it's just now, what's his name, Lucas, was playing with the car, and it fell out. Kitchen! You don't mind, let me tell you something. Sometimes when you let people win, they won't cry. You want to win and make them cry? Then why are you crying? How about Beatrice? How about if she goes through it by herself, she's a girl, and she cries because you found it and she didn't find it? Wouldn't you feel bad? Wouldn't you want her to find it instead? Then why are you crying? Then you help them. You're a good kid and you're smart. Don't think, oh, I didn't find. You have to think, what about Beatrice? She didn't even find it once. Think about it. And listen to me. Listen carefully. Last night, Beatrice's mother was very sick. You remember? She was bleeding and she went to the hospital. And her father's in Nepal and the mother's alone. And Beatrice is a little worried. Alright? So what you should do is you should find something for her. Don't think about yourself. Look, listen to me. I will take you to a toy store if you're a good boy one of these days, and I'll buy you what you want. I promise you. Okay? Okay? So today, the special day is Beatrice. You know why? Her mother's sick. Her mother's bleeding. Can we help Beatrice? Can we help Edwin? I know you can because you're a good kid. Everybody says you're naughty, but I know you're not. I know you're a good kid. Can we help her? So if you don't win, is it a big deal? How about a big thing? And listen, if they win, they take it back and give it to their mother. How would they feel? Yes. And don't you want her to be happy? Don't you? I'll take you to a toy store. You help them today. You promise me that? Don't be sad. It's just a game. It's just a game. Help them today, okay? Why? Yeah. Remember Auntie Angel last night? Wasn't she sick? She went to the hospital. Give me a few minutes, okay? Give me just a few minutes. Remember last night she went to the hospital. She comes out. You know what they did? They lifted up her arm, they put a needle, and they had to put medicine in her. She was very sick. Isn't it true, Auntie? Yes. And you know what? They had to help her back home. She's at home now, laying down. That's why they brought me here to relax, because her mother was sick. Your mother's okay. So you don't think about yourself, because we'll get you another day. Yeah, tomorrow, the next day. Can we think about other people? Good. You promise me? Promise? All right. Good. Come, let's go play. Tell them I'm happy you won. All right? Good. Come.
Andrew's hiding the ring.
Say hello to my new friend. They're all waiting for you. Ayo. They said to me, where's the little mushroom? And I said he was in the toilet just not having a pee-pee. We weren't having a drama-rama attack where we were just having a pee-pee, right? We get some face for you, okay?
My sister found on the...
Yeah, it was jammed in the middle of the...
Oh my God. What are you going to tell her?
Congratulations.
Tell her. Give her a hug. Beatrice didn't found anything. Let's go. That kid's a monster. Come here, let's go. Come on, Jason, baby.
So find it. Okay, you can count to find it. It's already hidden.
Yes?
Yeah,
But
count.
you only want
You sit with me, you let me count. How's that?
No hidden.
Does Jefferson know where it
Okay.
is this time?
Be happy.
I found it. You got eagle eyes.
No way! I hate
Oh my
you.
God.
You got it 3 times.
Okay, then you won. Congratulations. Yes. That's it, Gigi. Thank you. What are you going to tell your big brother?
Congratulations.
Good for you. See, he's a good kid. He's all right. He just had to go pee-pee. He wasn't well. Are you well now? Do we need to go pee-pee again? How about a poo-poo? How about a barf? You may pick up your prize. This time for you. You won 3 times, right? You won 3 times. Ooh. He didn't choose it. He's just looking. Don't everybody get excited. It's called shopping. Is that what you choose? Do you know who it is or what it is? No, you don't talk. So do you agree it's medicine Buddha? All right. Do you agree? Now be careful. Sometimes they look similar because you can't see the color.
Shakyamuni.
All right. Do you stick to your decision? Julian is right. It's medicine Buddha. Let me tell you why. Medicine Buddha looks like Shakyamuni, except he's blue, but here you can't tell. He's holding a medicine bowl full of fruits, and in his right hand, he's holding a plant that heals our bodies and our mind. It's an arura fruit. Say it, everybody. Arura fruit. An arura fruit. Yes, A-R-U-R-A. A-R-U-R-A. Say it. Arura.
Aurora.
An arura fruit is very rare, and it has very powerful medicinal qualities. If we grind it and drink it, it can heal many different types of disease. So what we call him is the Lord of Aquamarine Light. Aquamarine is blue. So the Lord of Aquamarine Light is another epithet or another name for Medicine Buddha. And Medicine Buddha is holding a arura fruit, meaning he is the king of all healers. Isn't that cool? And you know what he's good for? He's great for blessing animals. Okay? If we have to eat meat and we have no choice to blow his mantra upon meat before we eat it, or upon ourselves, right? Or we can blow it upon medicines. So let's say we want to take medicine, we can blow upon it. Okay? So let's say that Beatrix is going to take some medicine. Would you like Edward to blow on it? You can tell me the truth. No.
No.
Even with a mantra?
No.
You blow yourself.
Yes.
Sorry? That's right. See how kind and caring he is? He said Beatrix needs it for her mother. Because her mother's a little ill, isn't she? That's right. So we got to think about other people, don't we? You're a good kid, see? You can think about other people. Thanks. Good for you. Good for you. Now, since all of you have been really good participants, everybody can pick out a prize. You go first. All right, congratulations. Now, I want you to remember something. You know why you got this prize? Because we had a little talk inside, and I told you to think about other people, and just now you thought about them. And I'm really happy about that. So this is the feeling. Remember the feeling when you think about other people? Does it feel good? Who thinks he's a good kid? See, look. Doesn't it feel good when people like you? Well, this is what you got to do. All right? Grab it, quick. Whoever gets it first.
Go,
Get it.
go.
It's free for all. Quick, quick. Ooh, cool. What's that? Well, that's everybody. Let me see, kiddo. What you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna keep it in my room or put it at the altar so that the whole house will be very blessed and protected.
You know what? Your house is gonna be so blessed you can't even walk in. Just kidding. Have a seat. Okay, now listen up, all right? You put it right here so you can focus. No one will take it.